Good morning, it's Mrs. Mercer again. I'm ready to see you, but since I can't see you, we're going to keep on working on our phonics. We've done all our syllable types, and so now we're going to go back and learn some things about some special letters that do special things in words, and then we'll put those into our different syllable types and learn how to mark them. So these special guys are G and C. And G and C do something kind of silly. When they are followed by I, E, or Y, they don't say their sounds. What does G usually say? That's right, G. What does C usually say? That's right, K. G and K. Well, when they are followed by I, E, or Y, they get kind of silly and they get kind of soft and they make a different sound. It's like they don't even want to be recognized. And so when G is followed by I, E, or Y, it says a J sound. And I just slide a little J right inside of the scoop on the G. And when C is followed by I, E, or Y, it gets kind of soft too. It doesn't want to say K. It says S, like it doesn't even want to be recognized. I don't know if it's scared or what, but that's what happens. So let's look at some different syllable types that have this J and S in them. So I'm going to erase this and get ready to write with me now. So our first word is this. Write this word with me. C, A, G, E. I like this word because it has a C and a G in it. But the C is followed by an A, so it's still going to say its sound. Let's go ahead and mark our vowels. We have to pay attention to those first. We see that E there. The E is going to do two things. He's going to definitely open the door, and he's going to make G say J. When he opens the door, A gets her macron. And now we can go back into our sounds. K, A, G. No, not G. Let's try it again. K, A, J. Cage. Let him out of that cage. Everybody get that? We're going to have some more practice with it, so don't worry. Erase, 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 erase. Get rid of that word. Let's write our next word. G, E, R, M. Got it? Now I'm going to mark my vowel, and I'm going to look next door. Oh, who's there? That's right, bossy R. But E is also going to do what to the G? That's right, scare him or something, so that the G doesn't even want to be a G anymore. He wants to sound like J. It's a one-syllable word, so let's do our sounds. J, germ. Boy, we know a lot about germs. I can put an S on that. Germs right now, don't we? Wash your hands. Okay, let's go ahead and erase that word. So see, we're getting practice with our syllable types, but we're getting practice with syllable types that have those G and C. Let's write this word. F, A, C, E. Okay, what do? That's right, mark your vowels. Got to pay attention to those first. What's E going to do? Boy, he's going to do a lot, isn't he? He's not going to say anything. He is going to open the door for A, and he is going to make C say S. So let's go back and touch our sounds. Ace, face. Don't touch your face, because all those germs. I touch my face all the time. Or here's my happy face to remind me to go from left to right. Erase, 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 erase. Or if you're working with paper and pencil, don't erase. Ready? Write our next word. F E N C E. Okay, now this, mark your vowels. Now this E is too far away from this E to open the door. But he's at the end of the word without his big friend L, so he's still not going to get to say anything. He's just there to make the C say S. This guy is still pinned in, isn't he? So we're going to put a brev on the E. It's still just a one-syllable word because this E doesn't get to say anything. And now let's go back and touch our sounds. Fence, fence, fence. We have a fence in our backyard for our dogs. Let's try one more word for today. Write this with me. G, E, N, T, L, E. Notice I'm pulling down on my letters and I'm doing correct letter formation. Don't practice forming letters wrong. Be mindful of that too. Okay, I'm going to mark my vowels. Oh, there's an E, but look, there's his friend L. So he doesn't get marked out this time. What else is L going to do? That's right, he's going to pull this T with him. This E is going to do what to the G? That's right. My goodness, there is a lot to remember. But once you mark it a few times, you're going to be able to see it when you read. So this syllable and this syllable. Nice two-syllable word. This one gets its brev because the door is still, that's right, closed. So let's touch our sounds. J, N, Jen, T, ol. Toll. Remember, L-E says ol. So let's do it again together. Gen, toll. Gentle. Be gentle with animals and with the environment and with plants. It is Earth Week. Okay, so we just learned today, I'm going to write it again, when C and G are followed by I, E, or Y, they get quiet and they make the S and the Ch sound. Good job. Keep reading every day and keep writing words, getting smarter and smarter.